That's the rain that fell. Oh, in the middle of the night, right? Well, oh, baby. Okay. I meant to play that a little bit longer, but oh well. Now let's see. Let's pull. I'm gonna pull out this magic bag of. I forget what these are called. Oh my gosh! It was a. I found these years ago in Santa Monica, and I like it. When I read them, I like what they're saying. Okay. And I'll tell you what book it's from because it's going to tell me, but I just can't remember now. Oh, let's see. This one fell. 110. 110. 1110. What's today? Oh, wow. So that's crazy. I'm going to read these. Now, this is 116. Here. Maybe something 116, 117. Yeah, 114, 115. Oh, this passed. Okay, this was January, right? It's already. Okay, but anyway. Ooh, what? What is it you want? Wow. You are the friend of yourself. Cosmic Flashes. Okay, that's the name of this book. Oh boy. This is my this was I don't even know how to say it, but I've read this before. This was my introduction on my channel. Like, anyway, I'm gonna read it. I wanted to find it. I removed it and put another video up, but still I like to go and listen to it. And now I can't find it, so here we go. Well, let's see. I did bring my glasses. Yes, I did, but regardless, I got this light right here. But I had my, oh, here we go. Okay, here we go. Whoo, face the God, even in the ugly. Ooh. Because I was saying to my daughter, I don't know how am I supposed to love these people. It's hard for me. It would be hard for me. It would be easy for me to like get rid of these people than to love them. What? Ew. Face the God even in the ugly. Face God everywhere, even in the ugly. Don't see him only in the beautiful, the best. See him in your foes, in your hoes. He didn't say that, but in the crooked and the wicked. To do so, to learn it, it's the God-given test. Oh boy. As this cat is telling my mom at the door. Ooh. Face God everywhere, even in the ugly. He alone can live as he pleases, who sees the entire universe as God or himself. Freedom belongs to those who face God, the reality even in the ugly, and the so-called or miscalled foes. It is easy to see God in the best, in the highest, and in the beautiful, and in those who love and adore us, but how to see God in the ugly, in the crooked and wicked, and in those who misuse our love and hospitality, and whose one purpose of life is to scheme, to hurt, and to wound. Ooh, this is the God-given test. To know your present state and to overcome all weakness and fear. Hence, practice to see God in one and all. Then you can live as you please in all peace and freedom. It's just like, how do these people really, some of them do what they do, or to read these files, or the wow. Because I don't see God in them at all. I don't see, only God I see in them is that they're alive, they're being, and that's a miracle. Just, that we're here, and that person has a body and it breathes and all that. That's, I can see that. I can see that God created that part, and that's beautiful, but it's like, what these fuckers, do with that gift of life, and how they perpetrate on others, and, like this thing said, in the wicked and all that. Oh, anyway. So I'm going to now read page 111. Number 102 in this book of Cosmic Flashes. Who is your best friend? Who sees the best in you? Is your good friend. He helps you to bring all things to a good end. With him, there is peace, there is power and poise. You feel as God's child, and nothing annoys. Who sees but the worst in you is not your friend. You feel bad and wicked, a burden to your land. The worst that is in him, he sees in you too. Wow. Recognize what is real, what is best, and what is true. He who sees the best in you is your good friend, and he who brings out the highest in you is your best friend. There are some people in whose company we feel that we are mere crawling worms. That's because they want to make you feel that way. The worst people, and a mere burden to Mother Earth. They see the worst in us, and they bring out the worst from us. For they have the same thing in them. Like attracts like. What you have within you, you behold the same in others or outside. Again, there are people in whose company we feel peace, poise, and power. They help us to bring out the best and highest in us. They make us feel that we are living, that we are the living gods, knowing the best and highest. For we are the children of immortality. May we recognize the real and best and highest right now and in all times. real recognize real. Let's be real good, not real ignorant and real fools. Ooh. God, grant us the serenity to accept the things that we cannot change, the courage to change the things that we can, and the wisdom to know the difference. Remove the callus from our pineal glands and whatever that we may see clearer. I just ask you to help us to see your face in everyone and to keep us from harm and danger, but give us courage to face anything, right? Once again. All right.